A drill guide is a very helpful accessory to have in your shop. It offers many of the benefits of a drill press, particularly the square, precise drilling, with a much smaller, portable, and affordable form. However, there is a big downside to many drill guides that you'll find on the market, and that is that they can be a little top-heavy relative to the size of the base. When I drill with this, after my drill is in place, it's very easy to wobble that off center and mess up the whole cut. Now, I solve this in a very simple manner by creating this platform, which is just 2 half-inch thick pieces of plywood. The cutout in the middle here accepts the base of the drill guide. The drill guide I have also has holes for guide rods in the side. So I drilled holes in this auxiliary base in order to fit machine screws in and secure it down. In this particular drill guide, there's a V-groove down the center of it for dowels. So I cut a matching one in the lower base of this platform. However, larger dowels tend not to fit in one that size very well. So, on the opposite side of the platform, I made a larger raised portion and then cut a larger V-groove down it, which is able to secure larger dowels for drilling with a few clamps on the side. Additionally, this raised platform also let me drill a few extra holes. These two here are for the guide rods, should I need them, and this last one is to hold the chuck key. All in all, this simple plywood platform is a great way to improve the function of this drill guide. Thank you for watching.